How is it that we have more tips and tricks, tools and techniques, calendars and checklists than ever before, and yet we always seem to be behind? How is it that we're moving faster than we've ever moved in history, and yet we never seem to be caught up? How is it that we know more about time management today than ever before, and yet stress is all-time high? Just think about it. How much time do you spend stressed about not having enough time to complete a task or reach a certain goal? It is because everything you know about time management is wrong. Late great Dr. Stephen Covey gave us an incredible time management matrix about 25 years ago that talked about setting your priorities in order on the basis of their level of importance and urgency. Things that are most urgent and important should be done first as opposed to trivial stuff. But the thing is, this whole matrix works great as long as you want to prioritize your tasks correctly, but it doesn't help save any time because essentially we're just setting our priorities in order by borrowing time from one activity and spending it on the other. The problem we have now is to do with having a little bit of extra time so we can get more done and have that edge in this competitive world. That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video, how to create more time. So keep watching till the end, and there are 3 practical ways we can actually do this. First one is eliminate. Before you take up any task, ask yourself this question: can this be eliminated? Is it even worth doing? If you think about it, a number of times we spend the whole day preparing a presentation or report only to be told that it's not really needed and it wasn't worthy of the time. Learn to say no to things that you think aren't worthy of your time or are useless. Learning to say no to unnecessary requests is the first step and probably the most effective habit you will cultivate to save more time. Second one is automate. If I can't eliminate the task, can I automate it? Can I do something so it's done automatically? We are literally entering into the world of automation every single day one way or another, so why not benefit from that and use automation to save yourself some time? All your bills, banking stuff, food ordering, grocery shopping, and a lot more can be done within seconds on your phone apps. Next time you have to complete a task, ask yourself if it can be automated and do it. Third one is delegate. This is my favorite one. If you can't eliminate or automate the task, then can you delegate it to someone else? This is one of the best ways to save time. But a lot of us feel reluctant giving work to others because we're trapped into thinking that the other person isn't going to be able to finish it as good as you would. But that's just an illusion, and don't sweat it because they would also learn it and get better at it having done it a couple of times, just the way you did with practice. You should only be spending your extra time at things that you enjoy and have fun doing, and everything else can potentially be delegated to someone else. Imagine other people will free up your time, and that's awesome, isn't it? If you master these 3 techniques, results are going to be surprising, and inadvertently you will end up with a lot more time that you can use to get more done.